Successfully, we have created the password. Now coming back to our project, inside this config.env, below this, we are going to create SMTP password. And for this, I'm just going to assign that complete password. So whatever password you will be getting, you have to assign that password. Now once you have this password, copy this variable, come here, send email.js. Here we are going to write process.env.smtp password. Once entire thing is done, after this option, here I will be writing await, and from this transporter, we are just going to access this send mail method. And inside this, we are going to pass all the mail options. So whatever mail options we are having, that options we are going to pass inside this send mail method. That's it. You have to write this complete functionality, and don't forget to call this function inside this request password reset. And also inside this user route, we have passed the route. Now what I will do, first I will open the database, and from this users, let me refresh. I will be deleting all the users. Delete, delete and delete. Now what I will do, I will open Postman. First, I will come to register user. Inside this, now I will be passing correct email addresses. Here, name, I will be writing Khanam. Then email, let me remove. I will write khanamtestad at gmail.com. Okay, this is the admin email ID. Then password, let it be same thing. I've just started my server. Now click on send. Successfully, I am able to register user. For this, what I will do, I will change the role to admin. I will open database, refresh. Here, I will be changing to admin and click on update. Next, I'm just going to register another user, which will be normal user. So here, I will give the name as Seema, and email, I will be passing correct email ID khanamteaching at gmail.com, and password, let it be same. Name is Seema, and this is the correct email address which I have created. Click on send. Now this user is also registered, and by default role will be user. Now I will come to login. Here I will write khanamteaching at gmail.com. Password, let it be same thing. Remove this. Now click on send. You can see user is logged in. Username is Seema. Email is this one, and by default role is user. Now what I will do, I will just come to forgot password route. Inside this, I have to give correct email ID. I will write khanamteaching at gmail.com. If everything is fine, we will have email sent to this user. I will just click on send. You can see after some time I am having email sent to khanamteaching at gmail.com successfully. Let me open email. Inside this, I am having mail password reset request. I will click on this. You can see successfully whatever message we have sent, successfully we are able to get the email. And just now we have received the email. And if I open from, you can see this is the admin to whichever user has requested. For that user, we will have this email, and entire subject will be present. So whatever I have taught you successfully, if you have followed all the steps, and if you have passed all the correct email ID and correct password, then successfully you will have the mail. So here inside this try block, we are able to send the email. Once we send the email, we will have this message. email is sent to this user successfully. What I will do first, I will come to logout and click on this send. Now user will be logged out. Come to login. I'm just going to log in with admin Hanam test ad@gmail.com. Password is this one. Click on send. Now admin is logged in. You can see name is Khanam and role is nothing but admin. I will come to this route. Inside this, I will write hanamtestad@gmail.com. I will click on send. Okay, user does not exist. I have to remove this entire thing. Again, I will click on send. It is taking some time. You can see. Now I will have email is sent to hanamtest@gmail.com. Now I will open email. Come back. This is my admin. Open. Now inside this you can see for itself it has sent the email. I will click on this and this entire message whatever we have given that will be displayed to the user. Now if the user clicks on this link, user will be redirected to this route and here we are having this complete token which we have generated. Now inside this postman, click on save. I will be selecting this authentication. I will give the request name forgot password. Forgot password and then I will be writing email. Click on save. Successfully, if you have got the mail, mention success in the comment section, or if you're having any issues, let me know so that together we can solve the issues.